Oh my god, that was both at the same time.
So the vent pod's just gone off, and the kettle, and then we have Blacksmith.
Can you do that again for us, please?
Can you walk around upstairs for us so we can hear you?
The atmosphere's changed again. Try not to capture the graffiti if I can. Oh! It's absolutely wrecked in here. It does look like kids have been in here. Oh, it's not a spider, it's a fly. We were just saying on our video, I don't know, I think you were saying the same thing, that obviously kids have been in here and just literally just trashed it, ruined the place. It's
ripped the bench off a wall.
Yeah.
Which was there. Been having fires. It's disgusting.
It's just like it's the same with every place though, isn't it, nowadays? Kids get hold of it and they just wreck it.
Just wrecking it. Oh, and listen now.
Ooh.
Female.
Listen out for a female.
Female singing.
Yeah.
And talking.
That's interesting.
Very.
Is that what you heard last time?
Yeah. A female singing.
Yeah.
And it was coming through, a woman singing. We were asking for her to come forward a bit more. And then we had Blacksmith, and then it just went flat.
Oh.
Vent pod again.
Oh my god, that was both at the same time.
So the vent pod's just gone off, and the kettle. Well, my static camera's on the vent pod.
Yeah. But that was literally that was literally the same time.
So as we're talking about the female,
yeah,
the vent pod goes off and the kettle's just gone off.
Can you do that again for us, please? Is that the lady?
Have we got your attention? Are you glad we've come back to see you?
Did you used to sing here? Perform here for the punters?
Were you the landlady? Why does it feel like suddenly the atmosphere's changed?
Yeah. Well, it'd be a very strange coincidence, a REM pod and cat ball go off at the same time.
Exactly the same time.
I mean, off camera before. Is it?
REM pod's just gone in, yeah. Thank you. If that's you, can you set the REM pod off? I've got a camera on it, but we're not near it.
There you go.
It's going off again. Thank you. Can you make it a bit stronger for me? Obviously, guys, I'll keep panning there. Well, switching screens with the REM pod.
Yeah.
Thank you. Be stronger.
That's what we're trying.
Make it stronger. We'll actually just walk round just to make sure that I actually have press record. Otherwise I'll be under pressure.
Well, Simon's through there. Can you I'll stand back from the cat balls. The little balls on the bar, and there's one over there. If you can see me pointing at it. If you can light any of them up, that'd be fantastic. Obviously, we don't mean you any harm. We just want to prove your existence. Huh? The camera was off.
It's just turned itself off.
Oh, it's turned itself off.
Yeah. Again. Why has it done that again?
Do you not want to be seen on camera but want to communicate?
It's all the case.
Yeah.
Unless I actually didn't press record on this one. So I've just done all that.
Yeah, it's a bugger when you do that, isn't it?
I've just recorded, but not actually press record. So you've just set this off a few times for us, and you've set the cat ball off. Can we hear your singing again? Can you walk around upstairs for us so we can hear you?
The atmosphere's changed again. Really changed. That's got to be quite interesting. That I just took my light out because I'm holding a light. It's really interesting that the cat ball over there and Salmon's REM pod was literally went off at the same time. And just to recap, as Simon was asking for it to really try harder, it was tapping and tapping, like not tapping, you know what I mean? Just
the REM pod, yeah.
The REM pod was sort of getting going.
I'm talking to the lady, possibly the old landlady, at some point. If you love music, you could manipulate that device on the floor in there to play music if you want to.
Of course, the music box.
Well, the REM pod's played music before.
Has it? Oh, there you go. It's like a tune. It's like a tune.
And that's an instant.
Yeah.
I've just asked for that.
Yeah, yeah.
Thank you. It never amazes. It never ceases to amaze.
No, I know, it's crazy. I mean, how do you explain that?
I don't know. But the other camera's on it, it's recording. So thank you. Could you do it again for me? Just to acknowledge that it's you. You only have to go close to it and it'll go off again. Or if you can bang on something on the ceiling, if you're upstairs.
It seems like if that is something paranormal, it's keeping its distance.
The atmosphere's changed, isn't it?
It has.
It was alright when we came in.
Yeah.
And then it's like, I'm getting a sicky feeling like somebody's ill. But did they die because they were ill? I don't know, it feels weird.
I've not got no feeling, but
What was that?
I don't know. I think maybe because the REM pod's going off down there, I feel very drawn to the other side of the bar. But I feel that if we go down to the other side of the bar, we're not going to get anything. Yeah.
No, it stopped, because as soon as I went down to set the camera, it stopped.
Could you light one of the cat balls up over at the bar if you're a bit wary of us? In fact, what I'm going to do is take this one cat ball here, place it on the bar this side. So what I'm going to do is put this little device here that you can manipulate. I think your temperature's fluctuating down. It's very cold over this part. I'm going to put that on there and I'm going to move away, Spirit. So if you could communicate and let us know that you're there by touching that ball, that'd be fantastic.
Has the temperature dropped that side?
It's really cold over there.
Well, that's interesting then.
Yeah, and the figure on you, it was fluctuating.
The temperature gauge.
Yeah.
Is that your favourite part of the bar? Did you should drink in here? I'm going to ask you some questions. So every question I ask, obviously might not be able to see this, you might because you're looking at the cat ball, aren't you?
Yeah.
So there's either a little ball on the bar that you can set off to say yes, or the device on the floor, which will make a little funny sound.
Oh.
Like that.
Like that, yeah. Thank you.
You see, you've just been in there.
Yeah.
Right?
Didn't do anything.
Nothing.
Yeah. As soon as I come away.
And then as soon as I start saying, so you'd like to use that device to answer, okay? So, did you used to work here? If it's yes, set that device off for me. Or the cat ball on the bar. I'll give you a few seconds.
There we go.
Okay.
That's...
Did you see that? Huh?
No, I think that was me.
Was it?
I think that was me, yeah.
Okay. I'll take that as a yes then. Well, she used to work here.
Yeah, because that's what you asked, didn't it?
Okay.
Yeah.
Were you the landlady? If you were the landlady, could you set it off again for me?
Did you hear that?
Yeah. That was like a woman mumbling.
I didn't hear a mumbling, I heard a tap, like a footstep upstairs or something, yeah.
I heard like a low woman's voice, like as if she was mumbling. But this is how it was last time. So were you not the landlady then?
Right, so we've gone into night vision. It's absolutely pitch black. You can probably, the only vision we've got now is the viewfinders on our cameras. I cannot see a single thing down there. It really is dark in here. So we've gone dark, hoping that we might be able to get a bit more activity. As Simon said, he said he's heard a hum. I think I heard something similar myself, but I can't be 100% certain. But there's like a hallway that goes behind the bar, and when I tried to listen, there's too many cars going past. But Simon's heard what sounds like talking, like responding to our questions.
It's like a female, yeah. It's like, it feels like she's trying to say something, but it's that faint.
Yeah. I'm feeling really uneasy standing in this.
Because it's pitch black, all
Yeah.
you see is, literally guys, all you can see is these little screens. And it's pitch black and it's not.
Yeah.
It's only got doorways. The temperature in here is really dropping off.
I feel...
12.2.
What was it before? Sure, was it 15?
Initially when we came in it was 15, but obviously it's got to adapt to room temperature. Because it is a mild day, it's been quite mild, but
Yeah.
the wind's dropped, there's no wind.
Now there's no cars.
No, it's quiet.
Literally can't see a thing, so bear with me. Oh. So I've walked away from Simon, so we're separated. Simon's down there, I'm over here. Now we're in complete darkness. Everything is at your will, Peril. You can move in the shadows and you don't need to be wary of us in any way. We've put ourselves at disadvantage for you. Yeah. Can't see a thing with our human eyes at all. There was a car going past, but I thought I heard something down that end. Yeah. But it's hard to tell with a car. Has it?
The female, if you are here, can you set the device off that you were setting up before called the red pod? Don't be shy, don't be afraid. You just want to communicate with the afterlife if that's possible. Can you shove that glass off the bar? That goes now, it's pitch black in here and I can't see a thing.
Yeah, no, I can't.
Apart from the screen.
Yeah, that is it. Literally just the screen. As soon as I look away from my camera, I'm just like, it's the abyss.
We're vulnerable now, we can't see absolutely hardly anything apart from this little screen on our cameras. Do something to scare us. I would love to hear you sing again.
So I don't know if it's my ears playing with me, but I can hear whispering. I think I can hear whispering. I can't really tell now because that plane going over.
But that's what I thought I heard when I was in that hallway.
Yeah.
It's just too faint now to determine whether it is whispering or not.
Yeah. Come back through here. Just literally put my hand out because I can't see nothing. Oh Jesus.
Just asking if you could do something that you can communicate with us, just to let us know you're here now with us still. The slightest of things for us. Whatever you feel that you're capable of doing, whether it's knocking, banging, moving something, if I count down from 5, can you do something for me? You ready? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Nothing but stomach rumbles.
Now's your chance, we're in the dark. Pitch black.
What?
It's your right, all right.
What did you see?
Your shadow in the doorway. I was trying to figure out what the hell it was. Oh my god. There's a shadow down in the doorway. I was trying to figure out what it was. Now's your chance, we're in the dark. We've got devices on the floor that you can set off. You can sing, bang.
Should we try some maps? Necrophonic.
God, I'll do that for a while.
I know, yeah.
God, it's right dropped off.
Hey?
Right dropped off, temperature. I'm not sure. So, let's try some necro. Let's go.
So this device, you can pick sound clips and use that as a voice. Are you here in this building with us? Have you been watching us? If there's multiple spirits that are trying to communicate this method, can you do it one at a time so it comes through clearly, please? I did hear a tap over that corner. Yeah.
Yeah.
Did you just tap? Yeah. Did you hear that? Yeah.
Is that the lady that sings?
I heard yeah again.
Can you sing? Can you sing for us now? If you could sing through that speaker for us, that'd be amazing.
Yeah.
You're not nervous, are you?
Yeah, maybe. Don't know.
Now's your chance for you to let us hear your voice again, like we heard last time. Did you used to work here? Are you the landlady?
Yeah. Did you hear yeah?
No, I didn't hear that.
I just heard movement in there.
Why not? Yeah.
Light.
Can you see our light? Well, that was a clear yes.
Yeah.
Can you see us? The lady that sings. I love your singing. I think it's brilliant. Could you sing some more for me, please?
Yeah. It's very easy to hear yeah though.
Could you just give me a little snippet of your singing? Can you say something relevant to this building, please? Can you say the name of the pub, please? Can you tell me the name of this pub? What's on the wall outside?
I'm just obviously listening, and I'm not hearing anything that's like sort of intelligent,
relevant as yet.
relevant or intelligent.
Did I just say black?
Could have been.
It sounded like black, but
Yeah.
that's a little bit. But can you tell me the full name of this place?
That sounded like murder. Murder. Did you hear it?
I don't think anybody murdered. Just tell me where we are. Tell me the name. Tell me the name of this pub. What was that bang?
Did you what?
What was that bang?
Did you just say yeah behind me?
No. Did you hear that bang?
No, I just said yeah. It sounded like you said it.
No, I just said massive bang. Massive bang. No. That was a massive bang.
It's like there's nothing going on, but I feel like I'm being watched now.
Yeah, I know.
That.
But I just heard a massive bang and I don't know what that was. I actually heard it over the necrophonic.
Did you?
Yeah. Was that you we just heard?
I swear I just saw something push past the
Where's
door.
it across?
Yeah.
Well, I've got both cameras there.
I think my camera was on it. I was half the door. Oh, that's something just went. The only reason I can see that is because obviously the
Would it have been
viewfinder is
that?
facing me, so
Was
it's
it my
like
eye or that doing that? If I had moved?
no.
No.
It's like a thin
Then she-
stripe just went across the doorway. I think with the REM pod activity that was going on here, I think there probably is something in here. Have you turned necrophonics off?
Yeah, I've just stopped it.
Oh, right, okay.
I was listening because that bang was
Yeah.
dead loud.
I think there might be something here, but whether it's strong enough to communicate or the fact that it just doesn't want to communicate, I don't know. Nothing seems to really be happening that's compelling now, so I think on that basis I might call it.